We've built conservatories or had them built previously. We've had a number of houses before and most of them we've either put one in or there's already been one there. We enjoy the feeling of a conservatory and find them very comfortable. We spend a lot of time in them. We tried 2 or 3 other people and conservatory land stood out. It was a really good price and they were so helpful over the phone and it made it very easy. Oh yeah, their website's very good. You could get your own design and they would show you a picture of it and you could decide to move things, to change things. Very easy to use and comes up with a good result. It's almost straight away. It was within 2 weeks of moving in to get the conservatory up and running. We ordered it at a previous house and it arrived on time and everything was there was nothing missing and the guys put it up in a couple of days. It cost us a lot of cups of tea, but they were helpful, they were on time, they worked a full day. They did a good job. I couldn't fault them really. We've only got one lounge in the house and that is a good addition. North facing, so it's not over hot and it's very comfortable. Yes, people have asked, oh, where did you get that from? And we said, well, it's conservatory land. And they all say it's a good addition and it's well worth it.